Hi and thanks for watching Pretty Little Claws, it's Amy, and today we're going to do a really super simple giraffe pattern using again two simple colours from the Urban Graffiti range. I hope you enjoy. For this one we're going to do a simple giraffe print, and we're going to use the Nail Nails Sherbet Lemon as our base colour. It's nice and bright. We want to put it up to the cuticle and bring it down those side walls, keeping it nice and straight without flooding. Put that in the lamp for 30 seconds and then go in with a second coat of Sherbet Lemon. Pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we're going to go in with the Shimmer Polish Leo. We're going to put a little bit of that on our palette and again use our 001 brush. Load that up. And then make some giraffe style patterns. Just remembering with giraffes the pattern's quite close, but it's not regular. Just get these patterns all buttered up. And then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds when you're happy. And then with the Urban Graffiti top coat, we want to top coat our giraffe pattern. Remember to cap the free edge and pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then using the pink pineapple cuticle oil, pop that on just to rehydrate the skin. And there you have it, a really easy giraffe print using just two colours from the Urban Graffiti range. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel. All the products that we've used today will be in the description box below. Bye!